weeks of war, 6 battlefields, 6 winners, and of course 1 wild card, all leading up to one epic final night here tonight that is surely gonna be made of more. It is the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. It is a final night, so tell me one word that describes how you feel right now.
Right now we just feel happy moment, happy moment.
Tell me one word that describes how you feel right now.
Overwhelming, you know what I mean? That's the joy.
All right, now what is your game plan tonight to take home the big prize?
Right now, it's not even a game plan, Jane. It's just history inside a Red Stripe Oval tonight from Road Karma Music. Trust me, something I've never seen a sound clash. We're going to bring forth to the people them tonight, something different.
Describe how you feel right now.
Right now, I feel fantastic.
What is your game plan for tonight to take home the prize?
The game plan to take home the prize, you will see when we're there on the stage.
In one word, describe how you feel right now.
I feel good. I feel good.
Okay, what is the game plan for Natural Vibes tonight to take home the big prize?
Well, right now we just come to do something new to the game, you know, and make people see that we have the potential to do stuff, you know. So we just carry the energy with me tonight and give the people them some good vibes.
Naz, in one word, describe to me how you feel right now.
Jano Star.
Just one word.
Jano Star.
Jano Star. So we'll take those. All right. What is your game plan for tonight to take home the big crown?
Just try and have fun, you know, and bring it. You don't know, big up Guinness to the world.
So good, so good.
All right, you give me one word.
Awesome.
All right, in one word, how are you feeling right now?
Feel like a millionaire, 1 million richer.
All right. Now, what is your game plan for tonight to take home the big crown?
Where am I coming on? Come to kill everything.
In one word, tell me how you're feeling right now.
Yo, we just feel like a champion.
Okay. What is your game plan to take home the crown tonight?
Right now it's early now, so I will keep it a secret. I will keep it a secret. So, the whole world, I can see it. I will keep it a secret right now though.
In one word, describe to me how you feel right now.
Great. Yeah, it's a great feeling.
What is your game plan tonight to take home the big crown?
But just go up on stage, perform, and us entertain the people them, and win the trophy, bring it to our country.
We have 7 Guinness on the table. Make me count and see if I true for true. Me no want to say a 7 when me look at 8. Somebody say me late. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That mean me all right. Everybody you go pick here tonight. And anyway you pick and any number under the buckle that is you are go juggle here tonight. Like how you are the female. Hold your buckle. Hold your buckle, Naz. Hold your buckle. The rest of the man them pick up a buckle now, please. Good. Oh, nobody else don't want to pick. Good. Let's find out. Unruly Stumpy. Which number you pick?
Number 5.
Number 5. So big of yourself. Go and go prepare. Number 5. Shadrock, which number?
1.
1. So that means you're playing first. Shadrock, DJ on stage now. Test your laptop. We're ready right after we finish, everybody. And hear what them are playing. DJ Naz.
4.
4. You're playing the 4th. Go and go line up and get ready. Which number you pick, G?
3rd place.
You're going to get 3rd place here. You pick 3. All right, go on. And my boss?
Real money, number 7.
Number 7, real money. Last but not least. High grade.
6.
6 is real. One of my pirate squash. Which number you get?
2.
Me did think you're going to say few. And then me going to tell you, say, you know, true. Because from your local and I grow, me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Me stay alive in the war. The people, them alive.
Now, as you know, round 1 is a juggling round. Now, in this round, each of the 7 songs will be asked to juggle for 10 minutes each. At the end of their 10 minutes, they will be judged by our panel on musical selection. They'll also be judged on their stage presence and finally, crowd reaction. Now, at the very end of all 7 songs juggling for 10 minutes, the lowest 3 ranked sounds will be eliminated, and the top 4 sounds will make it through to round number 2.
So right now, the juggling round starts after this.
The juggling round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, God bless, put it to one here. Oh, my yes, sir. Round this up. Oh, my yes, sir. God bless, put it in here and we have them, sir. We have them. We have them.
Shadrock say, the Father give us strength when I'm down and out. He bless him the words from my mouth.
Play it. Turn it up. Turn it up. Oh, look at my clash. Watch out. Level down. Level. What the bad people them? Take on the phone light and they touch them. Every lighter. Every lighter. Look on this up. Over this up. Bad people. Bad people. All kind of people come and clash. Me play a song for the big people them. Young people time, man. Come, man. Play.
I didn't it. Oh God. I'm done. Watch out.
Watch out. Yeah. Watch out.
Yeah, and if you're not say 6, no girl don't want you. Bobby not the Axie, I mean not the Prada. Running, you know,
watch it.
Call you. She a good ass.
Watch it. Watch out.
Protect my world, me protect myself. Oh Lord, me no left it. My game of pencil and
cut.
Natural vibes. Some boy can't talk to me who a bad man long time and who a bad man first.
Oh no, it's a natural voice. I'll take it tonight. Put up on. Everybody over there, so put up on. Sing this.
Natural vibes. We tell them so your natural vibes and they sound killer. Cause we not
what
hard and
take it.
get to you.
What? What on there? Look, I know everybody smile with you like you. All who have 2 people in your life, put up your hand.
hypocrites are talk. Look them make them spit. Them can do a flip them talk.
All who said a sound and they go on good. Bust up block me here.
Bad man no left them machine too far.
You know the reason why they left their machine?
A baby strength them up. Your strength alone them up.
All who love yourself, put up your 2-1.
One make them mix. 2 me no make for no money me make.
All when them makes a with sound there.
Natural vibe just touched down in the airport.
Oh God! Play no, play no!
Natural vibe just touched down in the airport. In them tracksuit. All I make y'all them love me. All the one
what's wrong, God?
Eternal Father, bless our land, guide us with thy mighty hands, keep us free from evil paths.
All of the God bless people and I Guinness sons of greatness. Before we kill sons, make we give thanks to life, give thanks to the Creator. You know why?
You make me stronger.
Guinness sons of greatness. Guinness sons of greatness.
You make me stronger.
Oh, them a go like them not believe in that so. Make we bless it up. Time for call a son boy. 1 minute, son, run, Jeff, where you going?
Can't tell me you a girl, so you have to come back a waist, girl. National, we no
no,
wife, matter, yes, national, we no wife, matter, yes, girl. Man, every girl fit me. Jenna, mother, people, girl fit me. Girl thief, take a girl swiftly. Anyway, because me have the gang with me. One girl, you must see, matter, must see one.
See that? Got them
man done, no man.
Me have couple, I'm a friend.
Where's the white? Where's the shoes like? Don't touch on it. Don't play no more. Don't play no more.
DJ Nas, we no fear them. Nas them all. Boy, cleverness fail them.
DJ Nas.
Hey, no.
I say she 10 stepper ahead of them, 10 stepper.
Over your son! Over your son! What the man girl them there?
Welcome now, she at the general. All who believe in a God right now, put up on the hand. So I'm telling you this.
Not even the dance that twist against the walls of Babylon shall escape the wrath I come to pour.
I want to them!
And burn them continuously, for they never cease to oppress the poor.
Gossa!
Oh, please, my cause, oh, Jah.
Level. What one? All them real gangster them, let me see some light in there tonight. When the real hustler them there, what in there? What we tell them?
This is why I'm hot. This is why.
The girl never look good in there tonight. Scream! What's that?
Don't mess around if you don't mean it.
Man no pause when man no kill people.
Over here, sir! Over here, sir!
DJ Nas love kill jump on.
Time! Mister, me come to kill everything tonight. Let me tell you one of them.
Father Stumpy,
Charlotte!
them dead. Every time we kill jump on.
Tell them don't come back. Hello, come on, son, my lover. Let me turn on the eating and ready for that. Lover. I chat up that
Sound is a sound killer.
Call me.
Anytime you need a sound.
Lover.
A certain sound in a the dance a informer.
What?
Selector and the
Lover. Mr. Me the body son tonight. Mr. Me work for it. Tell them again.
Can't kill me son.
Tell them again.
Unruly Stumpy, you know we wear the crown.
Can't kill me son.
Can't kill me son.
Son to me, tell them.
I'm a
killer.
Unruly killing sound all over the
Lover.
They said that's some great.
Mama tell some boy this me a bad man select and I realize. Mama tell them. Tell them.
Well, boy, you got this Unruly Stumpy, them get with mad and psycho. Rise the Bryco. Boy, you got them couldn't show my guy. Come in, no see where the night go.
Lover. Let me tell us something. The greatest thing in life for when I believe in yourself. I don't believe in yourself. Come son of here. Tell them.
You go be real.
Charles. You see it? You might that you see all who are club. But me tell you this. You see Joe. Lover. But me kill them off and they're ready again. Tell them. You know the champs right now.
Kill a son in the dance right now, yeah. Funeral them off the plan right now. The trophy in a way on right now, yeah. Jump on the other for
Lover.
Listen, I said, make some shaka. Tatiana. Sean
All the war sound there. 2 in our ear. 2 in our ear.
Aye, boy, move. They don't know who them run come this.
It's the big bad sound, it's the big bad sound. The big bad sound.
Level. What we are like somebody there.
I watch ya. Tonight, sound I got dead in a Guinness clash tonight. The plate got off. Tonight, come before I come in London tonight. Father, these are dead friends that hold us tonight.
Stop!
Any song where I get the children, them are killing. High grade poison them with dilging. Anyway, high grade. We kill sound from New York and Paris. And it sound. High grade sound.
Me a star. Me a right with one woman. But Jamaican woman keep one woman. All of the man never run. Juan in the ear. Juan.
You think I afraid? Man, but some BMB5 in a boy face.
Jamaica!
Why like say them should I see a sound cuts when you are Rick but from people. Boy get wet up with it up. Great international no love.
Been one time to well Kingston 11. Man road, I want to them boy. Yo, compound, mother village official now. Waterhouse, Colorado, Riverton, Seaview. Oh, the gun them preview. Hey, first war. We can't stick together like birds of one freedom and enough full suit.
All over Jamaica! Wake up in on this! Wake up in on this! Where the poor Jamaican them there?
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
Where the poor Jamaican them there?
To the foundation of the music, to all the godfathers who sent it. You know, you have some little people don't know.
All of your Jamarans!
You see the elders there? You see the elders there? Tell them, say, watch it. When the nurse with the pet, when the tribble, the soda, when the power.
Hold on!
When the time respect the
Lovers! Anytime Chaka says cheers, you know what cheers is at the Chaka?
Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping.
Everybody people in there tonight!
Yo, zoom. Yo. Some boy. Yo.
The left!
The boy stop boy like your talk, cause your woman a beat your wit.
The left!
A bad man alone, me a...
Everybody balance! If me play the song, you don't get no forward. Every man in and no girl. Where the girl is them there? I love you being this.
She's the arm and a waist man. She want to link up and it.
I love you being this.
She round there wait for me. Pull up in my cheek.
What the girl say?
Me a real bad man, that's why she love me.
That's
she
what
don't want the money, she just want. My baby mother so we left. My baby mother so we left, boy. My baby mother so we left.
Balance.
Only 4 sounds will make it through. So we're gonna start from the sound that scored the highest points to the score that scores the lowest points. So we're gonna start from the highest to the lowest. Coming in at number 1, Real Money. The sound that came in with the second highest points, High Grade Sound. And 82 points, tied with the next sound that I will announce after, is Shadrock Sound. The other sound that makes it through to the next round is Road Karma.
At the end of round 1, unfortunately, the 3 sounds who have been eliminated are Unruly, Stumpy, DJ Naz, and Natural Vibes. That leaves 4 sounds going through to the second round. In first place, it is Real Money. Second place is High Grade International. Third place is, fourth place, Shadrock. Now keep it locked, because when we come back, it is all about the challenge round. Group A versus Group B. Keep it locked. It's the Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
Benjamin's Honey Time, the suit
and loaded and ready to go. It is time for the challenge round. Now, based on the scores from round 1, what we have now is 4 sounds in round 2. Round 2 is the challenge round. Now, the sounds that are left in round 2 have been put into 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Group A has the sound that was ranked number 1 and the sound that's ranked number 4. And Group B has the sound ranked number 2 and number 3. Now, in the challenge round, each group, that is, have been given a challenge, which they will have to find 6 songs that fit the theme of such challenge. And at the end of that round, the judges will decide who from Group A and who from Group B will move on and face each other in the dub-for-dub round, round 3.
This is a wicked challenge. I've never seen a challenge like this before. So Real Money and Shadrock, this is the challenge. Both songs will play 6 songs each, and it's gonna be a Gaza versus Gully. It's not what you think though. One sound now gonna just play Cartel and one sound play Movado. Both sounds has to use their wittiness, of course, musical knowledge, of course, and play 3 songs from each of the 2 artists. So Real Money will play 3 Movado, 3 Cartel. Same thing with Shadrock, 3 Movado, 3 Cartel. That is the challenge.
The challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You see any man can't fire that blank on a song, yeah? Woman have secret for you.
Fool. Yeah, that's it. I kill him without him, not cool. I want to them. Want them not Steve. Because they evil. Want them chasing like them.
Balance!
Guys, I'm saying it.
My place and my place. What the man is flex?
Guys, I'm saying
Balance! Yes, a real money son, a bad man son. I can't tell you we dealing people.
Teacher, what them for me a day when them afraid of the sun. Likewise, me know so the afraid of me. Because the God has
what about people down there?
I am afraid of the ground. Look in the spirit. He's not afraid of the road. Stars we not play.
Balance! Because the man never know say now run never friend in a war.
I can't stop. I return a bed.
I don't know run never friend in a war. Tell them!
This is what the gangster life is like.
Balance! What the Gaza people down there?
Them think me.
I don't know sell a cartel. If you're not sell a cartel, tell them!
Them think me no know them a
all who love your mother, put your 2 in her ear.
And if you bring me go court, go test.
Put up behind them.
Me love my man a bad. The love that make me jump for joy.
He's a disgrace.
So put my case up front, Mr. Clark and court.
What the people them?
The things that my mother got you.
What the people them?
She are the real child support. The judge said, tell me if your mother I know my one.
All that man if you know say you don't want a man to watch you say pam pam. Rise the them in the ear. Rise them.
Me no love man, so take your yaya for
me. Will.
yeah, TG. That's so boy. Yeah. How you feel like? Just. Well, if you think you are hard, stand up when you see the fire, I'll bet you see so much. You're like a telephone.
All that man if you don't say clean, say clean. Clean. Say clean.
When life's sweet, beg you look out for the handstand. Anything we sell out, them a one spend. Me no forget a one shot and one pan spend. Brand new street and them a one your name servers. Step out me so.
All right, judges, talk to me now.
Yo, Biggs, you set up yourself. When you go mother, me think it's a mother song. But when Shadrock come in and play the mother song, when him go the mother cartel, and then the man go the mother Movado, the man take the dance star. A Shadrock for me.
Sparky, hear what me say right now?
Yeah.
Me did a bet Palm Biggs. But you see when Shadrock step out, me have to say the place hot be.
Yo.
Shadrock.
Bishop Escobar.
Yeah, my choice.
All right.
Not nice?
Right.
Okay, go.
Yo, Jano. Cartel have so much song and real money play first, and your choice is never too bossy. So, Shadrock McGee. Yeah.
That's 3 unanimous already. But we still want to hear from Bishop Escobar.
Stop, look, and listen. Public service announcement. Sometimes it's not about the song, but at the caliber of the song. You understand me? So, big up Shadrock, the crowd. I true yes, so me I watch, you know. So me see what I go on. Shadrock.
Moving on to Group B. And in this challenge round, each sound will play a 6 song. Of course, in the same routine that we did the first challenge round, we're just changing the artist. So in this challenge round, it is Popcorn, songs from Popcorn versus songs from Alkaline.
Challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Press play. All who's a sound for them, gossip, 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 so.
If Babylon no worry me, they know them boy, yeah. One violator, no expect for face the fire. No, them no serious when it come down to the wire.
Level. Them boy, they don't go born one place, a town and country me come from. Drop it.
Level no. Yeah. Where me they tell you? One set of lunatics. Hell after hell, you know. I love you, my friend, I see friend, I did bet you that I quell no. Watch out. Level no. Ready no. Friend, I see friend, I did bet you that would I quell no.
You know what this me not call nobody name. Me can't tell you.
Watch out. Lay down on ground. In a broad
level. The whole of Pienland, the whole of compound, Waterhouse, guess what?
Me not be bad up myself, them know say me bad already. Them know me and mad already. Make them family.
Oi! Make them know! Why just? Tell them, hey, hold up!
We send them home, yeah.
What is going on them there?
Like street.
Make them know! Watch them! Oi!
You a punk,
tell them! Oi! Level!
People, don't make them come out here and chicken up. This is not a circus. A girl alone me no flick. A bad man thinks so. Oh, him come out here and flick. Me tell the boy name Shaka this.
Big up every real.
And the real.
Charge.
No man not be afraid. Oh, don't listen to
me see.
No, that's it.
Me I tell you say them are dirty. For real. Them are dirty. Them the one we need to pass. But me no carry feelings.
Big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia.
Watch out!
Check the links, big like the mafia, them a follow shot. Love them all, I'm a step of them a crush. Any young we see the cover, that's how we a go for. Listen to me, daddy, man, and family. Left.
All of it come more in a gator. You don't see a timber on me, you know. So if you want bad man in a gator, look up one, let me tell you this.
Anything them try, but we'll never win all of chaos when we go war. Dogs who power with a real head bang. Send you away for no something, but me not tell them. One of them look a rookie and make a mistake. Feel brave, run up and we expel.
Big up all them man do say, you don't sell out the friend them. The ends get time again.
Family. If I want to
killer. Level! What have you started on your time? No! You can't start it! No!
Struggle on the level better. Them right we have like a letter, but we still a trendsetter. The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies, the meanness, what you want.
Judges, let's go straight to the judges right now.
If you see a winner, after 3, we are going to chant. 1, 2, 3. High grade did well. Road Karma get more forward, which is crowd performance. The musical selection was on point, and the stage performance did good. Zane, Road Karma did the same, but with a crowd advantage, Road Karma.
for me.
Yeah, mix up Shaka, your stage performance always on point, you see me? Whether you have flick on a go on, yeah, the people them like it, so the stage performance, good, song selection was good, but Road Karma, I think Road Karma get the bigger forward them over high grade.
Boy, I mean, not lie, that one is hard for judge. It's really hard for judge. And to tell you the truth, me have my own tie. God, I want it hard for judge to me.
Sparky.
All right. This was a very difficult round. I actually have them tied, but I felt like the musical selection was stronger for high grade. There was a song that Road Karma played. And when I hear that song, there's so much time tonight that when I hear it, this was basically owning the crowd. Right? But Road Karma had better crowd engagement and better stage presence. They are tied. I have them tied because them scored different on different factors and my judging. So right now, I have them tied.
A massive crowd is here at 214 Spanish Town Road, and we had to go in the crowd and find out what the people feel about what's happening right now. Good night, what's your name?
DJ Hardley from Corville Garden.
So you're a DJ too, so you know what going on so tonight.
Go on, man. See what go on.
All right, now, with the challenge that just happened, Group A challenge, who you think take that round?
No, big and serious, Shadrock, because as what the judge them said, the Fire Bigs come out and big up his mother. I never play a mother song professionally. You understand? And Shadrock come out and play 2 mother songs. So I'm dead like this.
Overall, do you think that the challenge though and the rounds that both of them played is worthy of a final night performance?
Of course, because I never seen nothing like this before. It's something where needed. And I first may I say a challenge like this as a selector. It was a good choice.
So here what happened now. Let's start off with Shadrock and Real Money. Of course, Shadrock won the challenge round unanimously, but still fell short in the points category. So, Real Money with a total overall points of 200 beats out Shadrock on 195. So going through to the dub for dub right now is Real Money. So Real Money, get yourself organized.
Bada, you need to explain slowly to the people how you end up with the winner for the round now. Yes.
All right, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Real Money scored 108 points. Shadrock scored 82 points. Now, even though he won the challenge round, he still did not score enough points to overthrow Real Money, who scored as much as points he needed to go through. Again, 200 overall and 195. So Real Money, 200 points go through to the dub for dub round. Based on the point standing, on 196 to 183, the winner that goes through is High Grade Sound. So, in the dub for dub round, we have Real Money versus High Grade Sound.
The judges have spoken, and the sounds who have made it all the way to season 11's dub for dub round from Group A is Real Money, and from Group B it is High Grade International. So stay tuned, because when we return, it is dub for dub styling us. 7 dubs against each other. Be a badness going after this. Don't go anywhere. or will it be High Grade International? Only the dub for dub round can decide. Let's see. The dub for dub round. 7 songs will be played alternately by each sound. That's Real Money and High Grade International. At the end of that, the judges will decide who will take home the championship belt, the money, the bragging rights, and everything. It is dub for dub time, baby.
Now we have 2 Guinness buckle on stage. You have to pick to see where you play, whether it be first or second. Choose which of the buckle. Where you choose? 1. So High Grade play first. Real Money will counteract. That's 7 each right now.
Dub for dub begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Remember deal with you on the wicked, no man.
Yes,
hey, play some song, yeah, man.
Where's the High Grade come for the team tonight? So watch me now. Big up on yourself, all High Grade crew. This is how we do it tonight.
Level. I'm a first song this. So I can't do anything. A whole heap of people don't like you through you trying a life. All who must make it 20 in a year. Johnny up.
Right now we're gonna murder them when I know what you been playing.
Watch it over the dance hall. Pull up.
And last night was Freddie McGregor's birthday. I want to go up there and buy Freddie McGregor while NSC I want to beg him some song. You know, see some young people in that crowd. People, me have all type of song, me can play them song there. But me tell you this, tonight me just feel like say a voice me a deal with. Why me say so?
MSC or Real Money. You see it. So you must know what that means, you know. 4 kind of badness. Turn it up, me turn it to one notch again. We money no bigger than them. How we no got a lot of rest of us. How you do for money them? Real money them. A shot a day.
Yo, I me shot this, me a player.
Yeah.
Me play, me shot this.
Anything we say me, I gonna do me mean.
Big up to every young people. That's why me like when the younger people them have sense. No make no boy chicken no. Big song, a big any sound in here play that song. You me go on me yard.
High Grade sound.
High Grade alone.
High Grade sound. No other song can play this song.
Oh!
You come in at the dance with your dog plating you and High Grade it too bad.
Alright to them! People that sound like a dub when go beg. Me, I go play artist if you're now 1,500 US. You can't voice the artist here.
Yeah, Real Money sound. But the sound round town,
I'm money up me up here.
Fire bigs.
I'm money up me up
This is the man passing through. Legal. Or illegal. Still have a boss, yeah.
I'm money up me up here.
Hear this.
Stumpy ugly shaka.
Hey, some big 45 Real Money sound of fire. From boy for the X amount of fire.
I don't want to see me win 2 in a year.
No splice captain. Roll it.
2 in a year. Jungle Lima. Downtown. 1 in a fire.
Was gonna die tonight. Look how white we come murder in that sound tonight. Yes, we play rubber double and the message
I be a Tatiana, be a Tatiana. I me cut the dub them for my son, so me know how much them value in a real life. You not play about to kill them, make me start it then.
Real money. Hey boy, no think some man cut them dub fi can juggle. You think man a poach or coachy? Hey boy, fire it.
People get them bun today. See everybody to me, I will pay for them.
Missing. Well, so now go there down on the world with your tell. Real money you have had up. Name send boy.
Bounty killer. If me, too, not a mercy, makes up Shaka from way out in West Kingston, could I get a freedom? I reach right at Bounty Killer place. All who want me bust some dope plate in my face. Press play.
Me 50 caliber we fly too fast. I'm board the two.
People just want to see a youth that try. Who never go some woman working at you. Remember go mob here.
representing the man and don't know the thing going on, man. Hey, then.
Mommy down, mommy.
Real money. Them don't know I represent real money in the man. Whole waterhouse.
Mommy down, mommy.
Them don't know.
Mommy down, mommy.
Everyone say them on the road. Hey, real money kill them now. No.
Turn it up.
Hey yo, well time see you Waterhouse Moscow. Them blood run out like Lasco from Yasso. We done them from Kingston, never back to all El Paso. Marvelly, Joseland, missing. Boy, you're dead this time. We have a gun and them see tumbling. Or dead same time. Hey, Miss Awalaka line. Tell them high grade now.
Big up all the people that we don't see no coming with comedy. Make me play a big money song. Tell them now spend the money I save you. Balance, balance. Balance a real money song and you wanna play this man dub. Nobody has seen a real.
In a Guinness clash. Deep curious and out upon made us speak.
All of you next on up.
After that hardcore dub for them around right now, it's time for some hardcore performances from Jahvillani and Bounty Killer. Right after this, a new champion will be crowned, so don't go anywhere. Guinness Sounds of Greatman will be right back. Songs are made, but only one can be made of more in this segment of GSOG 2019.
Tell them anywhere we go, the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf glove on me luck, yeah. And if me tell you how much girl you woulda judge me, just know so the thing well up there. Top class, and me full of top sauce. Me cologne it a kick me no green like grass. Girl walk past, girl and I be every girl I hit. Oh me so, inna me tees and me jeans so. Every kick from a beat so saucy. Call me king inna the street, call me saucy. Oh me so clean so saucy.
Kingston full of girl like bag a gyal a town and a bag a gyal a never cool up one side, never move from me so what the girl them love see. One government full of girl like what? Big up the girl them in a place. Yeah, hear me. Everywhere me go me get nothing step to no girl. Yo, that shit I really best. Outside on a bonus 17 day with it. You know a wild side never fear. Anywhere we go fit boy with a new something to the peer fit. That's that.
Yo. Turn me up. Alright. Guinness. Me no know who get the winnings. But Batman not coming at this enough. Me say innings. Well. Me say go sticking up boy. No box something. Kicking up. Read my time. Kicking up boy. Yo. Well. See the killer you wanna have a dick can't kill. 11 years. Pull up. Mix up Shaka. Fire Bigs. Big up on yourself. It no matter who get the million. Who no all doing good. One job. Never let no problems get you down. Gotta stay focused and know you. Don't seem so hopeless. There is no progress. Level. I will fly through. On board the 2 feet. Hey, them look like toothpaste. When me mask this, why you must see on a bulletproof reservoir. Bulletproof face neck for we dancing. Me want that people. Well, look into my eyes. Tell me what to say. Can you feel my pain? Give us a better way. Things are really bad. The only friend I know. But the killer giving you originality. Run them!
It is an absolute pleasure right now for me to be here with the brand manager for Guinness, Mr. Nathan Nelms. Nathan, look at the place.
You know, I was wondering at some point if we run out of space here. Wow.
Wow. Let's talk about this season, season 11. What has it been like for you and your team?
I mean, we couldn't have been more, grateful about the support that Guinness Sounds of Greatness has received this year. I mean, last year was big, but I mean, just looking at what is happening right here tonight and what has happened over the past 6 weeks, I mean, I really thank the fans, thank the sound systems for being on their best behavior. It's been an awesome experience.
Now, we're about to crown a new champion. So, you give me your thoughts on tonight specifically and the turnout and the sounds and how they performed.
Yeah, I mean, you know, a competition is a competition of rules, right? And then, you know, we had to explain the rules to persons. I mean, all sounds came out blazing tonight. We had 7 sounds in the competition, all big sounds, plus a wild card, of course. I mean, and then, you know, people came out here and really feeling happy about the crowd support here tonight. Of course, they're enjoying Guinness responsibly as they've done over the past 6 weeks. And, you know, with the rules and everything at play, everybody understood how the competition should have gone, and then they really accepted the results. So I'm looking forward to the champion tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, people, after weeks of road, came down to the final, 7 sounds. The sound who run the street for 2019 is High Grade Sound. Big up yourself, real money. Well tried, well played. Guinness Sound of the Greatness champion, High Grade Sound.
24 sounds have been narrowed down to just one. High Grade International Sound. Our champions for 2019 Guinness Sounds of Greatness. They get the championship belt, the $1 million, the bragging rights for at least a year. So right now, Shaka didn't even move. Shaka just have the belt and now move. Congratulations, sir.
I can't believe all now, sir. I really reached to the point where I want to settle all day of my life. It's so me I say, respect to all of the competitors them, and love goes out to everybody who come and show the support to each and every one of the sounds them. But it's a greatness to me right now, for no say, may I represent for the greatest show on earth, Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Guinness made of more.
Of course, his face says it all. He's absolutely elated. They both are. They are the champions of the 2019 Guinness Sounds of Greatness. They walk away with $1 million in cash and prizes, the championship belt with Shaka and Lego all now. You understand? And of course, the bragging rights. So once again, congratulations to High Grade International, or 2019 champions. And just like that, the 7-week journey of sound system warfare comes to a close. We have to say a very big thank you, of course, to our title sponsors, Guinness. We also have to say thank you to all the patrons who turned out at each venue in their thousands. We love you all. And of course to you, our viewers who tuned in every single week to see what we were up to here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Once again, Guinness, thank you all so much for being such a big part of our culture and keeping such a big part of our culture going. So on behalf of all of us here at Guinness, on behalf of TVJ and the entire team, I am your girl Jade. I was your host for this season. Hope you all enjoyed yourself. Thank you all so much for tuning in. See you next time.